Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about cell referencing in Excel. So there are two ways to reference a cell in Excel. One is absolute referencing and the other is relative referencing. Let's take a look at an example to understand it better. I have a table here with 4 columns: employee ID, name, department and salary. And now in this column, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reference whatever is there in B2. So I'm going to get the same value, Anna, here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this. And then if you look at here, we got the same values that were in the column B. But if you look at the formula, it was doing relative referencing, which is why you would see the values got updated automatically with respect to the row on B column. So this is relative referencing, where it changes according to the formula. What is absolute referencing? So here I'm going to have it as same name here, and then here instead of typing it as A2, I'm gonna type it as $A, $2. Sorry, we were looking for the name, right? So it is $B, $2. So it is Anna. So here, when you expand this, you're gonna get Anna all the places, because here we are doing an absolute referencing. So even though you copy the same formula on multiple cells, it is going to always do an absolute referencing back to $B, $2, which is this particular cell. So which is the reason we are not seeing different names on this column, but everything pointing to the same particular cell. So there are 4 ways to reference a cell. So this is just without any dollar signs, like $B, without any dollar sign. So it is B2. So here we have referencing on both the B as well as the number 2. So the column as well as the row number. So here we are locking both the column as well as the row number. Let's try out another method. In this one, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to lock my column. I'm going to lock only my row number. So when I expand this one, I'm going to get the same Anna as expected. But if I expand it horizontally, what happens is, so it is $2, and then it is C, D, E. So the first one is still relative, which is the reason you are seeing the first column value getting updated, but the row number is still constant, which is absolute referencing. So this is the second type. And the next type we are going to look at is, what if like the column is going to be absolute referencing and the row number is going to be relative referencing. So here we have Anna, and then we are going to expand it. So here we are going to get the same result as what we saw here, because we are expanding it vertically, and in this case the $B, which is the column which is locked, and here also we are using only the same column, which is the reason we are not seeing any difference. So if we expand it this way, then it would be pointing to the same one, because $B, because the column is locked, which is the reason you are seeing Anna on the sides as well. And in the bottom, like, you would be seeing the row value getting changed, which is relative. So these are all the different types of referencing a column. Just B2 and then $B, $2, and then $2, and then $B2. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that a new video get posted, you would be notified. Thank you. Bye-bye.